In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to add a scroll to top button in WordPress. If your website has a lot of content, then users will have to scroll down to view all of it, and all the navigational links will go up. When users are done reading that article, they need to scroll up to see what else you can do on your website. So to make it easy for them, you can add a scroll to top button on your website. To do that, first you need to install and activate the WP Front Scroll Top plugin. Now, I've already installed it, but if you need help installing a plugin on your website, we have a video explaining how to install a plugin. I'll link it in the description below. Now, click on Settings under the plugin. First, enable the button from here. Also, enable the JavaScript async. Then you can change the scroll offset, button size, and button opacity from here. You can change the button fade duration from here. Now enable the auto hide setting. And you can change the auto hide timer from here. Additionally, you can choose to hide this button on small devices or small windows. You can hide this button from the admin dashboard from here. And you can hide this button from iframes from here. Now onto the button style settings. You can choose from image, text, or font. And the button action, keep it to scroll to top. Then in the location settings, set the location where you want the button to be displayed from here. And you can change the margin from here. Now in the filter setting, you can choose to display this button on select pages or posts, or all the pages. Then select the image of the button from here. And finally, click on Save Changes. Now, let's go to the website to see if it worked. As you can see, whenever I scroll down on the site, this button appears. And when I click on it, it takes me to the top of the website. This is how you can add a scroll to top button in WordPress. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comment section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you with the next one.